Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Miami, Florida. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, restaurant, 24-hour front desk and a facilities for disabled guests. Located off Highway 826, this motel is about 10-minute drive from Miami International Airport. It offers free Wi-Fi and guest laundry. A cable TV and a work desk are provided in each room at Motel 6. The simply styled rooms also include a seating area and a private bathroom. Laundry facilities are available at this all non-smoking motel. Guests will have access to a 24-hour reception and vending machines for added convenience. An on-site restaurant is available for guests. Rental car services are provided at the property. Truck parking is available. This Miami Motel 6 is 5 miles from Melreese Golf Course and Mall of the Americas. The entrance to Francis S. Taylor Wildlife Management Area is 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.